In this example, we're going to write an equation parallel to a given equation. We are asked to write an equation of a line satisfying the following conditions. Write your answer in slope-intercept form. So here are the conditions. We're to write a line through point 1, -4, parallel to y equals 1/2 x minus 12. Now, to write our new line, all we need to know is the fact that our given line has a slope of 1/2, because remember, whatever is in front of x is the slope. So since we want to write a line parallel to that, the new line that I'm going to create and write, it's also going to have a slope of 1/2, and I am going to use the point, the ordered pair of 1, -4. So let's go ahead and plug that into our formulas. We'll start with the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b formula first, and see what that looks like. We're going to replace x with 1 and replace y with -4, replace m with 1/2. So when we do that, it looks like so. We know that any number times 1 is that same number. Last step to solving for b is to subtract 1/2 from each side. And when we combine 1/2 with -4, we get b is -9/2. Now, if you did not understand how to combine -4 with -1/2, you can simply convert them both into fractions. In other words, convert -4 into a fraction and combine the unlike fractions, or you can write it as a mixed number and convert it to an improper fraction. So see other videos on how to do that. Our point is our line. We have our line now. Our line is y equals, we were already told that the slope is going to be 1/2. So y equals 1/2 x plus -9/2. And that is our line in slope-intercept form. For those of you who prefer the point-slope formula, let's go ahead and plug those points in to see what it looks like. Remember, double negatives become positive. Our last step to solving this is to subtract 4 from each side. So again, when we combine -4 with -1/2, we get -9/2. So our line is y equals 1/2 x minus 9/2.